Have you ever landed a client who made you question your entire career? Imagine being able to spot the dream clients from those who could jeopardize your business before it is too late. Today, I am diving into the wild world of dream clients in business, the good, the bad, and the ugly. Hello, I am Steven, and with over a decade of experience in investment banking and in Fortune 500 companies, as a key finance executive, I have seen it all. I have navigated the complexities of client relationships and learned invaluable lessons along the way. Stay with me, because I'm about to reveal strategies that could transform how you handle clients forever. The concept of dream clients is often tossed around, but the reality is that not all clients fit this ideal. Many business owners struggle to identify and manage different types of clients, which can make all the difference in their business success and personal well-being. One of the biggest challenges is distinguishing between clients who uplift and inspire versus those who drain energy and resources. It is easy to get caught up in the excitement of landing a new client, but if you are not careful, you can end up with someone who's more trouble than they are worth. Let us be honest, who has not had a client that made them question their entire career path? Another challenge is navigating the different personalities and expectations that come with each client. Some may be extremely detail-oriented, while others are more laid back. Figuring out how to effectively manage these differences is crucial to building strong, lasting relationships. Surprisingly, many business owners neglect to prioritize this aspect of client management. On top of that, there is the pressure to constantly deliver high-quality results while managing your own stress and avoiding burnout. Dealing with difficult clients can be a major source of stress, and if left unchecked, can lead to serious health problems. But what if there was a way to not only identify these challenging clients early on, but also turn potentially problematic relationships into positive ones? Coming up, I will delve into each type of client: the dream clients who inspire and uplift, the difficult clients who drain energy, and the nightmare clients who can jeopardize your business. Let us start with the dream clients. These are the ones who make your job a pleasure. They are respectful, communicative, and trust your expertise. They make you feel seen and heard, appreciating the value you bring to the table. On the other end of the spectrum are the difficult clients. They constantly question your expertise, demand impossible deadlines, and hold unrealistic expectations. They drain your energy and leave you feeling frustrated and demotivated. And then there are the nightmare clients, the ones who can actually jeopardize your business. These clients are abusive, dishonest, or downright toxic. They can damage your reputation, compromise your integrity, and even put your business at risk. One of the most valuable lessons I have learned from my own experiences with challenging clients is the importance of setting boundaries. I remember working with a client who was extremely demanding and controlling. They would constantly call and email me, demanding updates and changes to the project. At first, I tried to accommodate their requests, but soon realized it was taking a toll on my mental health. I learned that it is okay to say no, to set boundaries, and to prioritize my own well-being. It was a hard lesson to learn, but one that has served me well. In another instance, I had a client who was consistently late with payments. They would promise to pay on a certain date, but consistently failed to follow through. It was frustrating and stressful, impacting my cash flow. I learned that it is essential to have a clear contract in place, outlining the terms of payment and the consequences of non-payment. Coming up next, I will share the key strategies I use to transform challenging client relationships and protect my business from potential pitfalls. Trust me, these insights could save you from a lot of headaches down the line. Looking back on these experiences, I realize they taught me valuable lessons about navigating challenging client relationships. They emphasized the importance of setting boundaries, communicating clearly, and prioritizing my own well-being. They also taught me that it is okay to say no to clients who are not a good fit for my business. In summary, identifying and managing the different types of clients is crucial to business success and personal well-being. It is essential to distinguish between dream clients, difficult clients, and nightmare clients, and to develop strategies for managing each type effectively. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking it and subscribing to the Money Mentor Hub for more insights on achieving financial freedom and entrepreneurial success. I would love to hear about your own experiences with clients. Have you ever dealt with a nightmare client? How did you handle it? Share your stories and tips in the comments below. Before you go, make sure to check out the video appearing on your screen right now. It is packed with more business and financial insights that can help you create a thriving business environment. See you in the next one.